hair team lead for Neroli. I love the holidays and love everything sparkly and fun for the holidays. So we did a fun look on my guest today. She really wanted something different, and so instead of doing a color on her hair, we did tape-ins. So instead of bleaching out a section and trying to get a vibrant color, we had this beautiful icy blue color from Easy Hair tape-ins and added that to her hair. Tape-in extensions can be great for a lot of different people. So with my guest today, we chose to do a chemical-free color transformation, which was really fun. But guests can just add in a couple panels to fill in the front of their hair if they're feeling a little sparse in the front. You can add it just for volume, which is a really great addition, or if you want extra length. So the tape-in extensions can be really great for everybody. So the tape-in extensions can be really great for all different colors. We have bright colors like the blue that you see today, or pink, purple, to brunettes to blondes, all different kinds of colors for you. The tape-in extensions are really easy to take care of. When you are taking care of your extensions, you really need to make sure that you brush your extensions, holding at the top, brushing from the down to the bottom, and brushing up. And also washing as normal, but just making sure that you don't put conditioner right at the tape-in extensions. But the maintenance is very easy and easy to care for. With the holidays, we decided to do a fun look and added some curls to her hair. To really make it more of a holiday look, we added some fun barrettes to the one side, which really kind of took her look to another level for her event. You can always add different clips to your hair to really make it fun and different. Happy holidays!